Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to summarize PDF in DeepSeek AI. First, you need to go to the DeepSeek AI, and then after that, you need to go to the text extraction on the search bar. Click on that and add the PDF you want to summarize. After adding it, type down the proper prompt of summarizing it. As you can see, I have given a prompt to this of give me the summary of this PDF and I have uploaded it. Now I'll wait for the summary. As you can see, it has given me a short summary of the PDF and the key themes that are emerging from the PDF. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video to your needy friend. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.